What's up, y'all? So today I am with Amy, and Amy's been in a ton of my different videos, especially on my main channel. She's a junior and she goes to the same school as me, obviously, and we are going to be filming a Easter candy mukbang, and I am so excited. We are so ready. This video has been in the making for like a week and a half.
We've literally been talking about it in our video class for a week, and we're just like, yeah, it's gonna happen. Today we were like, let's do it. Like,
so Easter was 2 days ago. It's Tuesday after Easter. Bella told me that Walgreens has really good discounted.
Facts!
Yeah.
We're going there.
Walgreens and Walmart. We're gonna go to a bunch of different stores to get discounted Easter candy, and we're gonna do a mukbang. Also, we're gonna go pick up Avery. I ran off of my bus.
It was really funny.
I'll tell the story later. I ran off the bus
we'll
to
tell
get
the story
here.
while we're eating.
Yeah, okay.
Bro, they better not have been honking at me, or we're gonna have, oh, it's Brendan.
We're gonna go pick up Avery right now because I ran off of my bus to get here so Amy can drive me home from school.
Honestly, jelly beans. I'm a big jelly bean girl.
Oh, do you like the black ones?
Honestly, I like all jelly beans.
Love the black ones.
High-key, on Easter morning, my mom gave me an Easter basket like full of jelly beans, and I already ate them. So.
Change of plans. It was CVS where we decided to go.
We actually go to the bathroom. I'm about to pee.
I know, I have to pee so bad.
I had to pee so bad that I had to Google it if I die.
If you hold your pee for so long that you die?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. 33% off.
This is
where we're at. Wait, do they have a bathroom in here?
I'm trying to find it for you.
Amy.
I'm such a good mom.
Amy? Oh yeah, Amy's our mom, for anybody who doesn't know. I love how she literally hangs out with freshmen and like doesn't even care. Like, it makes my day. She's like, I don't have enough junior friends.
So I promise I have friends my own age. Freshmen are so fun. Like, why would I hang out with people I don't like when I can hang out with freshmen that make me
talking
smile?
about us? Us?
Okay, I'm gonna go find the bathroom for them. I threw my keys on the ground because I wanted to vlog.
Oh, we found the bathroom. It smells really bad.
Why does it smell like that?
Ew. Oh wait, this is pretty though. This is so bad.
Hey, stop recording if you're gonna pee.
It smells so bad. Is this all of our candy options?
There's some on the other side.
Okay, I was gonna say.
There's some over
Starburst
here.
jelly beans kind of pop off too.
Those are so, do they have those?
Yeah, they're right here.
Get those. These are every.
Oh, I didn't even see those.
Wait, it's the same thing you have, but they're buy one get one 50% off, and they're carrots.
Okay, get those then. Just looking at this makes my stomach hurt. M&Ms. Do we like these?
eggs.
What's, sure.
For Lifesaver gummy bunnies and eggs, do we get?
Let me see. Yeah, let's do it. That looks good. Yes? Oh no, I'm scared. She's a bunny. I've seen this before.
Okay, guess what?
Whoa.
I left them. Hopefully they don't see me because I'm too, ooh, I want this. What else? Popcorn? Waters.
You know the best kind of water?
It's the one with the squirty top.
You don't know.
Yes.
The best kind of water is Icelandic water.
Icelandic?
Do you know her?
No, I don't know her.
I love Deer Park. Everybody roasts me because I like Deer Park.
Okay, I'll get Deer Park. I've never had it before, but I'm down to try.
Summer of 2017, this guy literally nicknamed me Deer Park because I drank one of these almost every single day of summer.
Do we need quick black beans?
Frijoles negros.
We have jelly beans and chocolate. I don't think we need anything else. They have all pink Starbursts. Sorry, I got distracted. I think we're good.
We have M&M eggs. We'll get you a haul in the car.
Oh,
Reester bunnies?
Oh, what? Oh, that's so cute.
Can we get these?
What? Kinder? What's Kinder?
Kinder eggs, they have a toy in them.
Yeah.
Oh.
Do you want a Star Wars toy or a Disney princess toy?
Disney princess.
We found more candy, but it's not Easter candy, and we are doing an Easter candy mukbang, so let's stay on brand. So we're in CVS right now. My viewfinder, the viewfinder isn't on, so I hope that this is okay. The checkout lady is talking about I'm vlogging right now. Oh, now they're talking about Katie being a YouTuber, and they're flexing on the fact that she hit 100K. Did you know Katie's corner hit 100K? Big excitement, big surprise, not surprise, but oh my gosh, it's me vlog. Oh my gosh, vlogception. It's a video.
This is $33 worth of food. Now let's go grub.
I'm such a good filmer.
We have a ton of stuff to eat for you guys now, and we're filming this in the car because Amy doesn't want to waste gas. This is all of our candies.
Haha, did you see I put the mic and ice in there?
You're so sneaky. Amy got us 2 jelly beans, but she specifically wanted them in the shape of carrots. So that
they're
video.
on Easter brand.
Avery wanted Mike and I.
You can just put them all in my lap.
We have M&Ms, which have peanut butter in them. They're eggs. We have Starburst jelly beans.
I don't even think those are Easter, but they remind me of Easter.
They're so
Yeah,
good.
Starburst only make. I'm playing. That's totally why I'm not even doing this.
Lifesavers, gummies, bunnies, and eggs. And then 3 Kinder eggs so we can all get toys.
Okay, I want to eat the Kinder Egg.
Okay,
Yeah,
let's start with our
first.
Kinder
Hey,
eggs.
that one's mine, ma'am, isn't it?
Yeah, true. True, because I got the swirlies.
I've never
Can I
had
have
one
water?
of these before. Yeah.
We also got Deer Park waters.
Not for Avery, she didn't get one.
Avery did not get a water.
Apparently these are the best waters and they're the only ones Amy will drink.
I drink these and I drink Icelandic, and every once in a while I'll drink a Fiji or
I
Smart.
love Fiji.
But I also low-key love tap water.
My camera battery is literally flashing. Like, we might have to switch over to phone. Whoa. Wait, what?
Wait, what?
What?
does it look-
Maybe the toys on this side.
Oh my god, they had to stop putting the toys in them. Is there a spoon?
Yeah.
Why is there a spoon?
I don't know.
Is it liquid?
I got a
having
toy.
fun.
I got a toy.
Open it.
Wait, what is it? Oh, that is scary.
You gotta build your toy.
That is so scary. Wait, inside the Kinder
Wait,
egg
why
is
does
like,
this not look good?
is this what the spoon is for?
You're supposed to cook it.
This is not what a Kinder Egg is supposed to be.
What if you're supposed to cook it?
Is it good?
It's weird.
Kinda
What are
tastes like
these
Nutella.
balls?
They're
No.
hazelnut.
Okay, I'm extremely disappointed.
Me too. I thought it was gonna
I
be very
don't like
different.
it. We're switching over to phones because my camera just died, so sorry about that, but these Kinder eggs are actually not terrible.
They're not as bad as we thought. I'm kind of enjoying it.
Wait, look at the little toy. Look, mine's a bunny and it's white. And Amy got a ladybug and it's really cute.
On brand. Next, the Lifesaver Gummy Bunny and Eggs.
I'm so excited.
Can I
Okay,
just-
this kind of popped off.
Oh, should we rate the snacks?
Oh yeah, okay. Out of 10?
Out of 10.
10 being the best.
10 being the best, 1 being the worst.
Okay, I give that like a 7. A solid 7.
I would say 6.
I say 8.
Okay, but the shapes
I don't.
are
I look
not
so bad.
The shapes.
Wait, where's the bunny and the egg?
Oh, it's really small, but this is the bunny.
What is this supposed to be?
Circles are eggs.
I literally look disgusting. Like I chose the wrong day to look gross.
I don't shower.
Emma Chamberlain?
Chamberlain.
Doesn't she kind of look like Emma Chamberlain?
A little.
You know who I think I look like? Her friend Amanda.
Sometimes people say I look like Ellie Thuman, but it's just
I
because
see
I'm
that.
tall. And we have the same birthday.
Who do I look like?
Your mom. It was low-key a your mom joke, but okay, these are so good. I'm really munching.
I know, but
Can I
like
have a little
they're
bit
not
more?
even like shaped. Like they're really just marketed
So
towards
they're
Easter.
supposed to be,
They're
why
supposed to
am
be
I not-
shaped, but they're not.
So this is the shapes that they're supposed to be, but then like I'll grab the red one for you. I'm a little disappointed.
I'm
I'm
very
disappointed in the shapes, but
Not the flavor.
taste,
Oh yeah, they're so
the
good.
flavor is bomb.
Okay, so out of 10, 9.5, just because the shape isn't there.
I would agree.
Yeah,
A 9.
9.
They're not really Easter without the shapes.
That's true.
These are the Starburst jelly beans.
These are my parents put these in my Easter basket every year.
My mom puts the other ones in, and
They're so good.
cherry, orange, strawberry, lemon, green apple, grape.
How are these related to Easter? Did we just buy these
Because
Yeah.
they're jelly beans.
But jelly beans can be eaten at any time of the year.
Yeah, but they're Easter candy.
They're
Yeah.
Because
really
the Easter
not.
bunny poops off jelly beans.
Oh,
Ew.
you never heard
That's a
that?
thing?
I also poop out jelly beans. Oh, look at our henna.
Oh yeah.
Katie did mine. She put out my middle finger.
But I volunteered at my church for 4th graders.
Mm-hmm.
We were doing this coloring thing with markers, and one of them just took my hand and was like, I'm gonna do henna on you, and literally just scribbled all over my whole
Oh
arms.
my god.
I was like, okay.
Amy is like the small group leader of Cole's little cousin.
Really?
And I
Yeah.
figured it out. Yeah, she posted on her private story a video of her, and I'm like, that's Cole's little cousin, and she's like, she's a devil, but I love her.
She's not the devil.
She's so
She just
funny.
the way she laughs, and like sometimes she says things, and I'm like,
Oh yeah, I love her though. She's everything.
okay, these are just bomb always.
Okay, what do we rate these?
An 8 just
I was
because
gonna
they're
say
not
8.
Eastery.
They're not Eastery, but they're good.
Yeah. An 8.
Okay, we have chocolate. Oh, wait, this is everything. I love him.
This is me. They're peanut butter M&Ms.
Shape and eggs.
M&Eggs.
That was good.
Thank you.
Did you get
M
it?
and eggs.
M&Eggs. Avery. Okay, that's good.
They're beautiful.
Wait, they're so pretty. Oh my
Somebody needs to take
gosh.
these away from me.
Avery, they're so pretty.
Everybody get a different color. Peanut butter M&Ms always smack.
They're good, but like, I like the jelly beans better.
I'm more of a jelly bean gal.
Yeah, like chocolate is like, for me, it's like chocolate is below like hard candy and gummies and stuff.
I just like food.
I like sour candy the best.
I hate
Really?
sour candy.
Yeah,
I hate sour
I
candy.
love sour candy. Die.
I'm gonna say I'm like a weird choking and you're just like, not like, are you okay?
I was looking at myself.
Yeah, I'm good. Thanks for asking. Well, we have more jelly beans. We have more. But these are different. They're not Starburst.
Like these are kind of like popping off like in my mouth.
These are like real deal, like
Yeah, these are the good,
like
good.
the Easter bunny.
Mhm.
Like the Easter bunny is here.
Yeah, he brought these. Okay.
He's in the building.
Okay, but the thing about me is like, it's just normal jelly beans in Easter packaging. Like, there's nothing special about it.
But they're
There's absolutely nothing special about them whatsoever.
but they're Easter.
How do you open it?
Points off for not being easy to open.
I got it open.
I'm basically.
That's not how you're supposed to do it. But do we think these are better than the Starburst?
No, not at all.
I prefer this kind of jelly bean.
Really?
Yeah.
Starburst all the way.
I really like OG brand. Well, best.
I don't
jelly-
like these at all. Okay, Starburst wins by so much more. Do you like them? I don't like them either.
Well, they're kind of in my hand, and I feel obligated to eat them to make
I
mom
like the
happy.
pretty colors.
These are kind of my favorite kind of jelly beans in the world, and I could kind of okay.
My favorite thing is probably the lifesavers or the other jelly beans.
I don't know where to put these.
I'm gonna catch it.
I'm so lit right now.
I dropped it again. Whoa! It bounced off the roof.
How do they know each other?
They know of each other. They just don't know each other. Like they.
I mean, I'm really sorry, but there's
I
like
don't really
14
care.
jelly
I'm
beans
gonna
all over.
I just sneezed.
Okay, we're gonna have tea time. Well, that is our Easter candy mukbang. How do you say it? Mukbang?
Mukbang. When I was telling people I was filming today, I'm like, yeah, we're doing an Easter candy mukbang.
So I hope you guys enjoyed us eating all this Easter candy. I feel sick to my stomach.
I lost my toy.
And I want to brush my teeth.
This is my favorite thing, like, out of it. I love the little toy. I love Amy's. Amy's is so cute. Felt cute. Like, delete it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe down below and click the little bell icon to turn on your post notifications.
I've been waiting since I saw my first video. It's the most clever thing ever.
Right? It's so good. It's cheesy, but I love it. It's like my favorite thing ever. So you can follow me on Instagram and add me on Snapchat, and also subscribe to my main channel, Katie's Corner. And with all that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video vlog on this channel. Bye!